Hi, I'm Mahasti from the Tomato Head and Flower Head Bakery. Today we're making a sweet pastry dough, which is really easy to make. A lot of us are a little intimidated by pastry, but this one is so easy and it's a good one to start with if you haven't made one before. So we're going to start with some butter. We'll put that in the mixer and get it going. Once that's nice and smooth, we're going to add some sugar with the mixer running and let that cream and get really nice and soft. Then we're going to sprinkle in a little bit of salt and mix that in. And now we'll add our room temperature egg. So this looks pretty smooth. That's just the way you want it to look. And then we're going to add the flour, and we're just going to dump the whole thing in there. Turn the mixer back on low and just let it all come together into a ball. So there you go, we have it all. Everything's moistened, the dough's come together. And then just scrape the dough down into a ball. Great, so we have our dough ball. I'm gonna divide this up in half. And then just flatten it out into a disc. This will just make it easier to roll later. And cover it with saran wrap. Now that you have your dough flattened out and wrapped up, you can put it in the refrigerator and chill it for 30 minutes before you use it. If you don't plan to use it right away, you can freeze these. Just thaw it in the refrigerator overnight. Let it sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes until it's pliable, and then you can roll it out for your pie crust. Our pie pastry has been chilling for about 30 minutes. And now we're ready to roll this out. So you want to lightly flour your surface. And then we're going to roll it out to just a little bit more than the diameter of our pie pan. All right, now we're ready to put this in our pie pan. Okay, so we'll press this into place. Then just press down on the top to clean it up a little bit. You can use your fingers to crimp the edges. So I'm pressing with this finger into these two fingers. This is our finished product. If you're ready to fill this, you can just fill it. The cook time will depend on the recipe that you're using, so just consult your recipe for that. If you'd like the recipe for this dough, you can find that on our blog at thetomatohead.com, and also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you next time.